What's up, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So, we're gonna make our own toys. Alright, I'll count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 papers. We bought 10. Okay. Right, guys. Guys, and we have some food. Of course, right? Dito. Mo to. Sa'yo na lang. Let's start. And of course, I use my money. Cause this girl always get free foods on Friday. Cause I always say on Friday. Yeah. Let's go. First, I need to make a gun. I need to make a gun, right? But can you please give me the glue? Because I need the glue, guys. What person don't needs a glue to make toys, right? Just kidding. You can just screw it. Oh, not with a paper, though. Akin na! May ano po yan? Then, bro, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. Bro, I was trying to use the glue, but there's a cover inside. Bro, I don't know that. I actually don't know, guys. I actually don't know that, guys. Give me the glue. Give me the glue. Bruh, give me the glue. I don't care if I'm dumb. At least I'm handsome. Don't put glue on my wallet, alright? Don't, bro. This is not ours. So don't make a mess here, alright? This is not ours. This is someone else, and we might get kicked out. Huh? This is yours? Alright, so we can sit here. But just don't make a mess, huh? Please glue again. Bro, I keep using the glue for a reason. And guys, after we do this, you have to rate us. Well, who's better at making toys? Sophia or me? Of course me, bro. Just admit the loss, alright? I know you lost. It's sad, yeah. You will lose, alright? How about if I put seaweed on my... Ay, paano kung may ganito ko dito na? No? How about if I put this and glue it? Ga. Gunting, please. Gunting, please. Do it. Basta ma. Guys. Bro, we will risk our life and eat this. Bawal yun. No, I will eat this. Kasi sabi ka. Uy, nasan yan? Di ko to kakainin. Pakita ko lang. Dito. Dito ko lang. Uy, wag mo. Open na ganyan. Malalasan mo. Ay, may gunting. Akin na yung gunting. Okay. Hindi ako na. Akin na. Hindi ko pa ginamit yung gunting, please. Oh, yung glue. Akin na. Oh. I'm so scared. I'm actually so scared. Akin na yung gunting. It looks like... Uy, kung ano to? Gem? Hindi. Yung lumalaki sa tubig. Ano ko tawag? Guys, I know what this is. This is the one who's growing on water. Bro, I don't know what this... I forgot what that called. But I have that. The one I live. Bro, get out of here. I don't need you anymore. Lagi, ay, kami nakuha tayo ng tubig. Lagay muna natin. Ayoko na to. Hindi, kailangan ko yun. Right, I need this, guys. Okay, let's go. Bro, faster. Bro, how about if we just buy coke? And we'll use that. But I'm not spending my money again. Bro, just get cats. Why for you it's cats? For me it don't. We don't need you anymore. Wait lang. Nice. This tall we did. No, we need this, alright? You think why I need this more? Oh, yeah. You guys think why do I need this more? Haha. And we need to use this seaweed to decorate. Bro, look. Guys, ay tingnan mo ako. Nga. Lagyan na natin sugod. Gulupin. Bro, I have an idea. Guys, how about if I cut a little here and put this? Nah, let's not do that. And we have, and bro, and we only have 20 minutes. Go! Kunin mo. Yes. Set a timer for 20 minutes. No, I put it in the wrong place. Wait. I need the cup, please. No, yung takip lang. And I need this thing. Oh, gamitin mo muna lang. Ako na. Get cut. I bought you to cut things. I'm getting... Oh! I have a good idea.
Start now.
So the timer is starting now? Oh no.
Glue.
I need this. Wait. Nice, here. Get it. Ah, no.
Oh no.
Wrong! I need this. Wait.
Oh my god.
Don't make me. If you guys think what I'm doing is dumb, no, it's not dumb, alright? It's smart. I just need to put some of
Glue.
stick this. Get glue right. Stick it there. No. The wrong place. Oh no. Bro, I'm making a mess. Not a cool thing. I'm making a mess. Bro, this is, we can use this. Cause I bought this cause we need to use it. Look. Bro, look. It's not hard. So this can be good for our thing. Hey, it's looking so good. Not gonna lie. Now, of course, we need another sheet of paper. I'm not saying it the bad word. Bro, what are you making? Bro, say it. I'm saying what Bro, no. Bro, please. I think you're... Bro, just say what you're making. Alright, I'll give an idea first. Make a school. Somebody made
Gunting! Gunting!
You do this. Okay, we need this. Alright? Color mo lang ng yellow at gold. At mag-design. Alright. You guys have color pencil. No color pencils. Color pen. So, we have to get starting right now. Bro, I'm freaking out. Bro, I don't even know how to use this thing. Bro, alright. I need this color here. Let me open it. Bro, your phone! Guys, look at her phone. It's broke! Oh, no, we have 18 minutes left. Bro, where are you going? No, I have to focus on my drawing. This will be fire. Nice. Make the glue. Nice. Red glue. Guys, we're making it. It red glue, bro. No, I think yes. This is going just what I thought. Don't get stressed, Brian. Bro, where's Sophia? Sophia, hurry up! Oh, yes, we need a... Bro, yes, bro. Hey, we need a spoon. Bro, come. We need a... Bro, just... Bro, you're cheating, bro. Bro, hey, we need to use materials only. Bro, she's cheating. This video is you need to find and not like you're getting something from your house. You cannot do that. Uy, bawal kumuha ng gamit sa bahay. Patay.
Recycle nga eh.
Di yan recycle.
Sa'yo na lang ah.
Nice. Oh, I can use this. I can use this. Okay, I have to risk my hands. I'm done from this. Guys, I'm gonna make a lava, right? I'll make this a lava. I will make this a lava thing. And this... Nah, not this. We need orange. Bro, we need orange. Bro, if you guys don't know what I'm making this. You cannot see it, but they can. And what are you gonna make? Bro, what are you gonna make?
I don't know.
Bro, just do this with your hands and
40
you will know.
minutes.
Wait, no, 40 minutes. Oh, I'm freaking out. Bro, I'm freaking out, guys.
Nawala niya yung backpack.
Hi! Nice. Bro, you're even using the colors. Bro, guys. Whoever loses have to do a punishment. I don't know to do it, so this girl will do it. And she will lose. Who can beat the Brian family? Or the Beast family? Or the Beast kid? Bro, and to say I'm the most powerful guy here. I've been a leader from a group 2 times, not gonna lie. But I'm making a new group right now. And his name is Boys Fire. So join that group. Done. Yellow. No! Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. Nice. I'm finished with the color. I'm freaking. Bro, I forgot to do something. Very important. Bro, I need. Be careful, guys. This video will be 13 minutes left. 13 minutes left. Oh, bro. I have to be. Bro. Blue, please. Nice. Thanks. Bro, I'm being so stressed. Shall I quit, bro? What do you think, guys? Shall I quit? I don't mean quit YouTube. I mean quit the challenge. Nah, no way you guys said yes, alright? Bro, scissors! Bro! I need this. She's ignoring me. Nothing, just shut up, bro. I'm so angry right now. I can punch someone in this case, bro, but I'm not gonna punch the Brian family. I'm gonna punch the haters. Alright?
Uy! Good thing!
Oh no. Yeah. No. Bro. Bro, I'm stressed out right now. If I lose this challenge, I have to jump. I have to walk barefoot in the freaking hot weather right now. Bro, hey, you know what's the punishment is? If you lose, you have to walk through that hot weather, alright? You have to walk barefoot, no slippers. So, I don't want to burn my foot because of a challenge. Yes, we're making a challenge right now. I never made a challenge with anybody. But now, I will make challenge with this girl. And she's gonna lose. No way she's gonna win to the best guy in the world. Right? See? She's agreeing. We're running out of glue. Oy, do you know how much is the glue is?
10.
We were running out of glue.
Go! Stop ko muna. Go!
No, don't stop it. We will buy if there's no more. Guys, I think I have to spend my money more. Because we're running out of glue, right? Right? Yeah, bro, I have to spread this with the scissors. Nice. Now I'm getting out of my chair. Bro, it looks like Bro, what are you doing here? We're making a video challenge. Bro, come here. Bro, look at this. Look at that guy. Disturbing our challenge. I think that guy just woke up. Did we disturb your mood?
Anong gagawin mo?
Gumagawa kami ng video. Right, guys? Bro, if I lose this, I don't want to go to that hot professional. You. Ha?
Dapat ikaw yung excitement na lugawan mo. Aliman mag-color.
Di pwede mag-color.
Hindi man tayo nagda-drawing, di ba?
Di. Pang designs. Pwede.
Drawing.
Oh.
Di nyo naman alam gagawin niya.
Yeah, you have to make your own toys. Gawa ka ng sarili mo laruan. Brewers, I'm freaking scared. But what am I gonna do? And stop!
Kuting!
What? How many? Wait. I have to make this.
Dapat gawa kang sarili mong laruan.
Hey bro, here. No, pwede ka pa sumali. Hey, ano kasi ginawa mo?
Bakit ako?
Joke lang.
Gawa yung sarili ng laruan. Ayaw na.
What happened?
Ayaw na ko sarili ng laruan.
Bro, if you don't want to...
Ah! Papel ka, Mac! Papel mo! Papel na!
Bro, we're gonna walk on the hot weather without professionals. This is gonna be dangerous. And if you lose, you will do the punishment. We will get ratings from the peoples. And we don't know them. They can be a subscriber. No.
Uy, 8 minutes! Ay, 10 minutes!
10 minutes!
I need glue!
We're running out of glue.
Go, bili ka na.
Wag. No, I'm almost done. No, I cannot do this. Yeah, just, bro, don't cry. Just watch us do the challenge, alright? Bro, this video is being a disaster. Bro, I have to put this closer. Oh my god. And I'm almost done, guys. No! Bro, I'm stressed out. I'm not quitting. I'm almost done. That's why I'm not quitting. And bro, later let's put this on water, alright? Lagyan natin ito sa tubig mamaya na. Bro, I think this is Arby's. I think that's Arby's. And at the next video, we will make... Bro,
Anong gagawin niyo?
uy, wag mo ubusin!
Hindi ko na
We're almost done. I have to change this. This thing sucks. Oh no. Bro, I don't want to. Oh, I'm scared. I'm freaking out. I'm not scared. I'm freaking out. Ouch. Ah!
budget mo kita.
Ay, Kati, kasakit. Ah! Bro, this will be a disaster. Bro, this will be a...
Kaya may glue. Bawal.
Di, pwede.
Paubos na.
Di, okay lang. Bibili na lang ako. Bro, wait, guys, let me see if I have more money. Alright. To buy glue. Yeah, I have 10 pesos. I have 10 pesos. It's okay. It's okay. Guys, I think I'm about to quit. I'm about to quit right now. Uy! Mac! Patayo mo yan. Patayo. Mahulog yung glue. Punasin mo yung glue. Punasan mo. Punasan mo yung glue. Yun o, yung glue na yan, punasan mo. Punasan, to! Punasan mo to! Bro. I'm scared. Now I'm stressed out again. Bro, this is gonna be a disaster. More disaster to clean it. Bro,
Hey, 6 minutes.
kami. Katapos ng video na to. Gawa tayo ng ibang video na may naisip ako slime.
Sige. Hindi ka na may activator.
May activator din ako sa bahay. Dahil sa... Hindi, sa Lazada. Dahil mas mabilis yung Lazada. Uy, yung glue, Mac. Kailangan ko. Mac, yung glue. Bilis! Uy, matatalo ako. Bilis! Glue! Kailangan ko yun.
Kaya ka matugtog.
Wait.
Okay na yan.
Glue, I trusted you. May malaki na glue. Oh, I'm scared. Don't be scared. Brian family will win. Right, guys?
Blue?
Wait. Ako muna na.
Hindi lang muna.
Ako muna. About 3 people. 3 people is hard. About 3 people is hard to say. Yeah, true, bro. My wallet is almost gonna get a 0 budget because of this girl. But bro, I have to focus.
Hoy! Talan!
Ating kong sariling banyo na.
Yan, banyo!
Ano to?
Basta wag mo yan!
Ganito?
Wag mo yan! Galing yan sa basurahan!
Yun ang mga nyo?
Oo!
Bili kayo.
Tayo kumuha!
Recycle mo yan.
Oo, recycle lang na yan.
Tapos,
Bro, add colors! Bro, you will lose without colors. Bro, I just farted.
natingin.
Uy, okay lang kung nalagyan ng kunting blue. Ay, nalagyan ko ng kunti.
Tapos na. Kukulain ko na.
Huwag mo na sabihin. Bro, I will add colors even here. Bro, this is hard. Bro, I always use colored papers if to do this, right? This. Alright, say what you're doing and I'll say what I'm doing. Alright, you first. You first.
I don't know.
I think that's a toy, right? I'm making a gun.
I'm done.
Go!
Ray gun.
is the refill thing. This thing is the refill thing. This thing and this is mine.
Oh, get out! Bro, out!
I'll ban you from my channel. Bro, that always works. That always works.
Ikaw
Right.
maglalakad. Ay, bato-bato, pick.
Alright, let's.
Isang baksak.
No, I have to leave no. Hey!
Lakad ka!
No, let me hold
Lakad
that
ka!
phone.
Bro, I want to hold the phone.
No.
No, let me hold that.
Dapat
Dapat walang sinayas, di ba?
Oh, yeah. Hindi, alisin ko dun. Right. I'm taking off my slippers. Let's go. Ah! No.
Hanggang sa orange. Sa orange, okay?
Bro, isn't that even? No, I'm suffering. Bro! It's up to the store. No. Bro. Oh, let's go. Not cool. No. No. Not. Done. Let's go. I have to go back. Bro, this hurts. This hurts. This hurts. Guys, this hurts. Bro, this hurts. This hurts. Fine.
Oh, nagawa ko Reagan. Nakagawa ko ng Reagan.
I will take my revenge, guys. Bye, guys. Peace.